So hey guys, today I'm bringing you these push button covers here for the engine start button. I got them from WaveMe on Amazon. It's the same company that provided the carbon fiber paddle shifters. It's nice quality. It's a very simple piece here. Here's the two colors they make. They make a black and then this red one here. Very simple, pill and stick. Nice quality too. They say it's real carbon fiber. I mean, it kind of looks like it from the backside, but anyways, something easy to do other than just blacking out the button. You see this nice deep gloss to it. I think it's $8.99 too, so for you pick whatever color you want. Thought it'd be something nice to kind of go with the rest of the car. So let me go ahead and install that and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here they are. I like this black one just because of the theme I'm going with. It's pretty basic here. You just clean this up really good and stick it on there. You just want to get it centered and make sure that the words are level. I think it looked really nice. Like I said, nothing crazy. Here's the red one. Kind of see how it would look. You know, it does look really good too. Just depends kind of the look you're going for. I might switch it to this one. I don't know. But I like just the black theme where it's all kind of dark in here. Kind of flows with this and the steering wheel here, and then the pedal shifters. I think it flows really well. It's really close match. So very easy. I know my other car, I did the tint over it, but I kind of want to do something a little different. So I think it looks really good. And it's nice if you can see it. The light shines through a little bit around the edge. See if I don't know if you can pick it up here, but if it's dark, the light, the little ring around it will still glow. You can kind of see the edge of it. So it's kind of nice too. It doesn't cover it 100%. So I kind of like how the light changes color depending on what mode you're in too. So let me go ahead and stick this on. I'll show you the final product. Okay guys, so here it is. I think it looks really clean. Kind of flows with the rest of this. Just gives it that glossy, carbon fiber finish. I like it. And for $8.99, I mean, you really can't beat it. So here I'll push it so you can see the red behind it. And like I said, when it's dark, you can see it a lot better too, around the edge. You can see it there. It'll kind of glow around the edge. So that's kind of cool too. So it doesn't cover it 100% because I do like that, like I said. So if you guys like that, check them out. I'll put a link in the description. Like I said, $8.99, either the red or the black carbon fiber. And just something unique, another little touch just to kind of separate it from the OEM look. If you don't like it, you just peel it off and wipe the residual off. So it's not that difficult at all. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And like I said, here's the red one. If you guys like that, I'm liking that more. I see it too. It just does stand out. So I might switch to that. I don't know. But $8.99, really nothing to lose if you didn't like it. But thought I would share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good out there, being safe. And I'll upload another video in a few days here. So definitely stay tuned. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks, everybody.